Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You need to confirm virtualization and Windows 11 Pro/Enterprise build first. Open Task Manager to verify CPU virtualization, then enable Windows Sandbox from Windows Features. Once done, reboot the PC so Windows applies Hyper-V and container components. After restart, search Start for Windows Sandbox and pin it to start if you'll reuse it. You're beginning the session now. This is the immediate, hands-on setup, so you can run an isolated desktop quickly and safely without installing extra virtualization software. You open Sandbox and treat it like a fresh temporary PC. Copy files in or drag installers directly into the window to test. If you need repeatable settings, create a WSB config file to map folders, enable vGPU, and set networking preferences. Save and double-click to launch a tailored session. Make sure to run installations and test behavior inside the Sandbox so nothing persists on your host. Once finished, close the Sandbox window to destroy the session and all changes. When you're done, simply close the Sandbox window. That action discards the entire environment, which is why it's ideal for ephemeral testing. If Windows Sandbox fails to start, first confirm Hyper-V, Virtual Machine Platform, and Windows Sandbox are all enabled in Windows Features and reboot. Make sure virtualization remains enabled in BIOS/UEFI and update device drivers, especially chipset and virtualization-related drivers, if problems persist. Once corrected,
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.